is going guys, welcome back to a new one. Today we're going to be reviewing the HTML tables. So in this lesson, essentially the last, honestly like 12 videos, we've learned how to create a table, add data to it, and section the table into smaller parts. So let's go ahead and review what we've learned so far. The table element creates a table. The TR element adds rows to a table. To add data to a row, you need to use the TD element, and then the table headings clarify the meaning of data, and the headings can be added using the TH element. And table data can span columns using the col span attribute, and then it can span rows using the row span attribute. Tables can also be split into three main sections: a head, body, and footer. So to create a head, you can do t-head. To create a body, you can do t-body. To create a footer, you can do t-foot element. And then all CSS properties you learned about in this course will be applied to tables and their data. So that's basically it with HTML tables, and we'll be doing the quiz in the next video, so stay tuned for that, and thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.